Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christian and this is CXC Beauty. So for today, I am super excited again because I have brand new shades to share with you guys. So I want to show you how they perform and how they look on the eyes and on the face. So there's a total of 8 new shades which I'll be showing you. 2 you might have already seen in my last video, but there's 6 brand new ones that haven't been shared before. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe, hit the button, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. And if you want to see how these eyeshadows look and how they perform, just keep watching. So today I'm going to do a little bit of a lighter foundation. It still has quite a bit of coverage. I'm going to use the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in Golden Tan, and I'm going to start applying it with a beauty blender so I can get like a more sheer foundation today. So I'm just taking the beauty blender, and this is how I'm going to start, and then where I need more coverage, I'll go in with the stick. And now for concealer today, I'm going to go in with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And this is shade medium to ginger. And I'm also going to be light on the concealer for today. So I'm going to just put it like right in here. Dots here. And I'm going to softly pat that in. Now I really want this foundation to be like very skin-like and very sheer, so I'm going to let some of that absorb into my skin while I do my brows. And for today's brows, I'm going to go in with like a really structured brow. And I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, the dip brow pomade. And this is also an Anastasia brush. This is the 7B, which is my favorite brow brush. Now that I have my brows on, I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder, and I use my Too Faced. I'm just going to go set the face in key areas. And now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm going to start with this Bobbi Brown one, and this one's in Golden Light 1. And I'm just going to use this as a base for my bronzer since it's more neutral. Since I'm not using like a contour today, I'm just going to start putting that on the perimeter of my face. And then I'm going to take off the excess of that bronzer and dust off my powder. And then now I'm going to go in with my Tom Ford bronzer in Bronze Age, and I'm going to go over that same bronzer. And I'm going to bring this one down on my neck. Okay, now we're going to jump straight into eyes, and it's what I'm most excited for today because I get to show you some more of my new eyeshadows. And I just want to show you really quick, this is not like a palette, this is one of my palettes where you put your own shades. But I want to show you some of my new shades, starting with the more colorful ones. We have a really bright yellow here, which is called Sunrise. Then we have this green right here, which is called Spring Beginnings. And then you've seen this one, which is Sea Witch, and this one is CREMA. So we also have these 4 new shades, and starting here we have True Golden. This one's called Love Lust, Supreme. And this one right here is called Diamond. And it's called Diamond because it's literally like diamonds. Obviously we have diamonds here. I'll swatch it again for you from my finger so you can see. Okay, that's Love Lust. This is Supreme. And then we have true golden. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the look. I'm gonna start with a little fluffy brush and I'm gonna go right into Spring Beginnings. And I'm gonna start building that up into the crease. And I also built it out on the outer corner right here. And now with another fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into the yellow shade. I'm also gonna take that color yellow and kind of pull it out a little bit. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I'm gonna start cutting the crease. And now I'm gonna take that yellow shade again, and I'm gonna start packing it onto that cream. And now that I have that yellow on the lid, I'm gonna go in with the CXC Beauty Crease and Shader Brush, and I'm gonna go just the tip into the green. And I'm gonna blend out the edge of this eyeshadow, just so we don't have any harsh lines. Okay, now that I have that color on my lid, I'm gonna take the green again with the same CXC Beauty crease brush. And I'm gonna start building that up on the lower lash line. Quickly, before I get into mascara or eyeliner of any other kind, I'm gonna go in with this white liner, which is by MAC, and it's called Pure White. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of black liner and go on the top. So I just wanna do a thin line, and I'm using my Smashbox the Always On Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes and go in with some mascara. And then for mascara today, I'm gonna go in with L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. And now that I have my mascara on, I'm gonna go into the other 4 new shades and use a couple of those. I'm gonna start with this one right here, which is Diamond, and a tiny brush. And I'm gonna start applying that into my inner corners. And then a little bit on the brow bone right here. And just like my other ultra metallic shades and ultra flex shades, these can be used as highlighters. So I'm actually gonna mix Love Lust and True Golden and use that as a highlighter today. I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and take it on the bridge of the nose and on the tip of the nose. And now for lips, I'm going to go in with a really peachy nude, and this is ColourPop X Shayla in Ooh. And it's a very peachy nude color. And that's it. Okay everybody, so this is the final look. I actually really love this look. It's getting me so ready for spring, summer vibes. I'm loving these colors. They're just like, I can't wait to launch them on my website. All of these colors will be available on cxcbeauty.com. And if you want to see more like in-depth on these colors and more swatches and everything, go check out my Instagram, which I'll leave right here. And if you like this look, give this video a thumbs up. I had a really great time with you guys today, and I hope to see you in my next video.